How to get 1099 TD Ameritrade. First, download TD Ameritrade mobile application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with user ID and password. After opening, this is the home page. Then first you're going to click on Account. Then you go to Docs or Document. Then here you can see there's the account holder name, type, and date range. So what you're going to do is click on Type. Then here scroll down a little bit and select Tax Documents. Then click on Done. After that, click on 1099. Your tax documents include personal information. Consider the security of the tools you use to save or share your documents. Click on OK. And here is the TD Ameritrade 1099 document. You can forward or share it from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.